The next operation we will perform is the paste operation, which means we will take some of the cell contents and then we will copy and paste it somewhere else or in the same place as in the first exercise. So we go for the today column, we copy it, and then we need to paste it as values in the same place. So we can go to paste options on the home tab, where we can find, for example, the one we are looking for, like paste values, or you can use the paste special, where paste values is also in here, and we will discuss mostly the paste special options. Now we get rid of the today formula and we just keep the static value. Pasting might be also useful when performing math operation like adding, subtracting, multiplying or dividing. We can select a number from the cell, select the cells, and instead of using a formula, we can just use the paste special operation and we will say let's multiply the cell contents by the cell value that we've selected at the beginning. And when we hit OK, you will see the numbers multiply. This is not the formula way, this is like just the pasting way. You can also find there an option to transpose the table. The transposition means let's switch the columns into rows and the rows into columns. This might be useful when you would like to have the measures in the columns and the dimensions like time in rows, and we can go for the paste special, this time under right click, and you can see in here the transpose operation, and when we hit OK, you will see table transposed, and you can, for example, insert a pivot table based on this table. Pasting might be also useful to get rid of the formatting. In here we have a particular format in the format cells that adds also this text to the formatting, but we can take the cells in here and paste them using the paste formulas, but this time we get rid of the format. So when we hit OK, we will just get a single number, keeping the formula in here. If you would like to create a dynamic reference to cells, you can also use the paste link operation instead of using the formulas. So you can copy the cells in here and paste them spatial, but this time you can use the paste link operation. And this is how you will get cells already pasted, but this time connected to the initial cell address that we started with. In the last exercise, we will paste the column width from the first sheet. We have in here the paste sheet. We can see that it already contains the proper columns width, so we can copy the columns from here. We can select exactly the same range in the paste 6, but this time we can say let's paste only special the columns width. And when you hit OK, you can see exactly the same column width applied to the 6th worksheet.